Hello and welcome to today's physics lesson where I'll be talking about metric prefixes. These are some examples of metric prefixes that are often used. We have length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. And for these base quantities, we have names for them. For length we have meter, mass for kilogram, and so on and so forth. And we have respective symbols for the base quantity. Now let's look at some metric prefixes. Here are some metric prefixes that are commonly used in physics. So tera is 12, giga 10 to the power of 9, mega to the power of 6, kilo to the power of 3, deci to the power of -1, centi to the power of -2, milli to the power of -3, micro to the power of -6, nano to the power of -9, and lastly pico to the power of -12. For these prefixes, we have symbols. Tera is a capital T, giga capital G, mega capital M, kilo small k, deci small d, centi small c, milli small m, nano small n, pico small p. And these metric prefixes go along with the basic unit, which can be meter, gram, liter, or second. Now let's go to the questions. Give the symbol for each of the following metric units and state the quantity measured by each unit. A. Gigameter. Looking back at our metric prefixes, giga equals to 9. Gigameter is written like this. The symbol for gigameter is a capital G and a small m, and it measures length. B, we have kilogram. Kilo, we have a small k, and gram is a G. This measures mass. C, centiliter. For centi, we have a small c, and liter is L. So we have CL. Centiliter measures volume. D, microsecond. Micro and second. Microsecond measures time. Let's try another question. This question asks us to complete the unit equation for each of the following exact metric equivalents. 1 megameter equals to how many meters? That mega is 10 to the power of 6. So 1 megameter, 1 times 10 to the power of 6 meters. B. 1 kilogram equals to how many grams? Looking back to our metric prefixes table, we know that kilo equals to 10 to the power of 3. So 1 kilogram is simply 10 to the power of 3 grams. Pause the video and try the last two questions before we continue. Okay, solve them. Let's check. Let's try another question similar as to what we did just now. Pause the video, try to solve these questions, then check the answers. A. 1 gigameter equals to how many meters? 1 gigameter equals to 10 to the power of 9 meters. B. 1 gram equals to 1 power of 2 centigram. C. 1 liter equals to how many nanoliters? 1 liter equals to 1 to the power of 10 to the power of 6. And lastly, 1 second equals to how many megaseconds? 1 second equals to 1 times 10 to the power of 3. Now let's try a word equation using the knowledge that we have just learned. A hospital has 125 deciliter bags of blood plasma. What is the volume of plasma expressed in milliliters? Get the answer? The answer is 125 deciliters equals to 1.25 milliliters. Let's try one more question before the video ends. If a Mazda is traveling at 95 kilometers per hour, what is the speed in meters per second? Given that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters and 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. Try out this question now. If you have any questions about how I got the answer for our problems, you can write to me in the comments. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.